The latest IronCAD release can be downloaded from our website. To do so, navigate to Support and Product Updates. If you are using IronCAD for the first time, select the latest version and the link to the full installation. This will download the Download Manager, which should then be executed. The manager will then download the appropriate IronCAD installation file to a location of your choice. Once this file is complete, the setup will run automatically, or you can run it manually later. In the IronCAD installation window, click Install. Accept the license agreement and click Next. In the next window, specific components can be added. This can cause choice overload, but feel free to deselect all components. With only the top option, IronCAD Design Collaboration Suite selected, a complete and fast working program will be installed. The final setting concerns the drawing standards to be used. Select Default Isometric Units, and then click Install. During installation, the operation of IronCAD is demonstrated. This procedure ends with a results window with 3 buttons to complete the installation. If existing IronCAD settings need to be transferred, use Finish and Migrate. Finish and Launch starts IronCAD immediately. Simply clicking Finish closes the setup program to start IronCAD manually later.